All right, so we got a fun project today. Today's project is going to be building a sawhorse out of pallets. So we just had this free pickup of pallets where we had tons of pallets we got to grab for free. I filled the truck with it, and we're gonna make some sawhorses so we can make our next projects with wood a little safer. So we got a few pieces of wood that we need to pick out. We really just need a couple pallets. So I got a couple small ones. I got this big one here. I got this one here. We're gonna have to break them down into pieces, so that'll be fun. But then we're gonna build our sawhorse so we can get our chicken coop put together. All right, so before we can build the sawhorse out of the pallets, we have to break the pallets apart. So I got two pieces of wood on the bottom here, one across the side and one to hit. And as you hit it, boom, it pops off. So that worked pretty smooth. I just did the first one off camera, but we'll just slide this over here a little bit. And then again, I'm hitting right here with this, and just like that, the board comes off. So you can see how quick and easy that can, well, not really quick, but easy. I'm gonna do that with the whole pallet and then have it all broken down. Then we're gonna put the sawhorse together. So off camera, I got pretty much all the pallets done besides this last one right here. So I broke them down into these individual pieces. Now we're gonna take, measure, and cut these pieces so that we can build our sawhorses, so that we can use those sawhorses to build our chicken tractor. So that's what we're up to out here. All right, so the first sawhorse is done. So I took a pallet, broke it down into that, and then ended up making this. So I'm not the I'm not the best at building. We're still learning the skill set, you know, we're practicing, but taking those pieces, it's good and sturdy. It'll work for what I need it to work for. So yeah, there's a sawhorse finished product. Looks pretty good if I say so myself. All right, so I have been using the back of my truck, and I've been using just random stacked stuff up in the garage to cut things, and Sam was like, that needs to change, Chance. So I took some pallets that we got for free just right in town. It was like 10 minutes away, drove up to town, filled the truck up with pallets. I'll show a picture right here. And then once we got all these pallets, I picked a couple of the best ones that I thought would work for this project, broke them down so they're individual pieces. You see some leftovers right there. And then here's the finished product. We got 2 pallets done, and I'm just proud that they stack. They stack, they'll work, and they will hold our loads. So we're excited about this. I'm gonna start using it right now to start building this chicken tractor. So stay tuned to these other videos. We'll have a whole video on the chicken tractor. The design for these sawhorses was pretty simple. We just put an I-beam on the top, found some longer boards, and screwed them all in. And as you see here, it worked very well for us. I'll put a link in the description below talking more about the actual layout for this design.